Hello beautiful people, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how to create Google Ads account or Google Ads Manager account. So let's see on my screen. So I search on Google Ads, and Google already provide own ads, this keyword. Now I'm click this keyword or this keyword. I'm clicking ads.google.com/home and grow your business with Google Ads. Start now. And they are selecting create campaign create, but we are not a campaign creator right now. Right now I'm creating a account. That's why I'm clicking switch to expert mode. Then they are suggesting some campaign, but I don't want to create campaign. That's why I'm click create an account without campaign. So now they are showing a confirm your business information. I'm selecting my country and my time zone, my currency, and these are the information for Google tips and performance promotional offer. But I don't want this. If you want this, you get a mail from Google Ads. I'm selecting yes and submit. So contrast, you are all done to explore your account. Now I'm clicking explore your account. So you can see our Google Ads account create successfully done. Then these are our account structure. So our Google Ads account create successfully done, and these are setup progress. Now I'm clicking the refresh. So now you can see the Google Ads account create successfully done. So right now I want to add a name for this ad account. Now I'm click tools and setting. Then I'm going to the preference on here. So they are showing this preference on here. These are account name. Right now account name is blank. Now I'm typing Google Ads GTM. So I type gads GTM, I save it, and you can see one here, and it will come on our ad ID before or after. Now I refresh this, and you will see one here, and you can see this is our ad account ID and this is our ad account name. So we are successfully creating an ad account. Now I'm going to ads, and we will add our payment info. Then we will create campaign. Then we will run our campaign. So right now I'm creating an ad account, but if you want to manage a lot of account from your client, you can create a manager account. Now I'm going to search on Google Ads Manager account. So I search on Google Ads Manager account, sign up, and these are actually ads. So manage multiple Google Ads client account with easy. So this is actually Google Ads Manager account. I create a manager account on here. So this is actually account display name. I'm typing. So I type my account name gads GTM manager account, and I want to manage other people account, not my account. And I can select my billing country on here, Germany, and we can select the euro, and I submit this. So explore your account. Now you can see one here. I create two accounts, one Google Ads account and another is Google Ads Manager account. Now we can manage very easily something like this. When I click on here, and you can see one here, this is actually our main ads account and this is actually our manager ads account. Okay, perfect. I refresh this, then setup in progress will go out. So hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like this video and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. And I promise you, you will never be disappointed. See you on my next video. Bye bye.